Chicago. Welcome to Houston, Texas. Glad he was able to visit us today. He told me that he saw our videos on YouTube and he really liked our work. So we set him up with an appointment. We agreed to it, and today he's here. So I'm gonna take care of him like I always do to every customer. Alright guys, at this point I'm pretty much taping up the car. Like always, just to make sure to take the paint, avoid any scratches. I feel comfortable. Next thing, the next step, I'm gonna take off the wheels. After that, my goal is to remove the fender. So I'm gonna take this off next and then get all the bolts. Make sure before I take it off, I gotta mark everything down. Careful with the wheels, avoid hitting the brake calipers. Take off the front panels, then the wheel wells, and remove a couple of screws so I can take off the fender. And make sure the fenders do not touch the ground, they're always on a horse. The next step is to install the kit. Like always, start with the hand and then with the ratchet wrench. Next thing is me installing the shock, and the next step is to cut the fenders so the kit can fit. You gotta have a steady hand, so if you're scared, I do not recommend it. It's very risky, but since I do hundreds of these, I can do them all the time. Safety number one. What's up guys, this is boy David again, lambo guy. As you can see, we got a final project right here. Like usual, we take care of the customers. The special thing about this customer, he came from Chicago, Illinois. So he did drive pretty good, I believe like around 20 hours. We appreciate you visiting us today, or should I say this week. Like usual, the doors closed beautiful.